Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the body side molding. Is body side molding really worth it? Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when we notify new videos, and I really appreciate the thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, folks, so you got to look at the body side molding on my 2019 Lexus RX 350. So you got to question this, right? Should I buy the body side molding? It doesn't make the vehicle more ugly, or just a waste of money, I guess, in all, right? So I actually replaced the body side molding when I made the video on the 2019 Lexus RX 350. I'm going to tell you why. So I'm going to show you the old body side molding, which I have, and why it's worthwhile to probably get body side molding, especially on a larger car like the Lexus RX 350, or maybe say a Highlander or Pilot or any other vehicle in particular, right? Because it's a bigger area to get dent. So I'm going to show you why. So I actually replaced the body side molding. It's pretty easy to do. Of course, you use like a fish line, pull it through, then you can pull the thing out, clean the surface with alcohol, and put tape on the area that you want to put the body side molding on. But that's in short, because there are other videos that tell you how to do it. But this video is just going to tell you what I discovered, right? So my vehicle is pre-owned, and means it's used. You notice there's two big dents on the body side molding area. So that protected the vehicle. That one's pretty bad overall. So I might have to took paint away. Yes, I tried to paint it, but this one just really stands out. So, and this is the passenger side, by the way, on the right side. And you notice this one has a few dents here and there, or dents, I guess is the right word. So, and the other side, it's double-sided tape. I probably will clean it up and see anybody wants to buy it. I may post it on eBay or may not. I don't know. But it's definitely worth some kind of money. So it's RH. It's the right side. So you can see that. And these came with OEM. So this is not a invitation part. This is from a Toyota / Lexus, right? RH. So, that's the naming on the body side molding. And I put these on. Pretty easy to put on in particular. It's just like when you put it on, make sure that, after a few days maybe before you decide to wash it. But it's double-sided tape, so it sticks really well on the doors. And initially I didn't really want body side molding in a vehicle, but this one came with body side molding. After looking at the body side molding, I could see how much protection it offers from door dings and scratches to the paint. So this is the left side over here, and maybe I didn't do a perfect job, maybe, but look, it have one door ding over here that it protected with the body side molding. And overall, didn't have a whole lot on this side. Yes, there's a little bit blue there because I got the double-sided tape with a paper in contact. So you can probably peel the double-sided 3M double-sided tape, then reuse this if you decide to buy it, or that we have it or fix it, right? So this one actually didn't have any damage at all. So, but I did peel it because I'm going to do all of them at the same time. This is the body side molding that came on the left side, the driver's side door. So, yes. So the question is it really worth it to buy body side molding, install yourself, or you have the dealer or body shop install it, right? So after seeing this and after having a lot of things on my Honda Odyssey, I think it's worthwhile to have body side molding on this vehicle. So, and again, if you have a sports car, you want to stand out, you don't mind paying paintless dent remover, PDR, extra money, then, might be worthwhile to, not have it, I guess, right? But it does, if it damages the paint, then it might be worthwhile to consider body side molding. It looks pretty good, you know, but you know, there's something there, right? So it's an option, right? You actually go after market and get the cheap ones, or you could get OEM, search online. You get a better deal overall if you search online. Even you go with OEM. So this one's painted. There's some that's not painted. I don't want to go through the trouble of buying non-painted ones, but it depends on what your needs are and what vehicle you have. So that's my video surprise. Hopefully this video helps you out. Give me a thumbs up. If you have a comment, please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.